Whether you woke up stiff, tight, or maybe even drained before the day has even started, I've got good news. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your spine, unlock your hips, and fire up your energy levels so you feel refreshed, mobile, and ready to conquer the day. Most people ignore their body in the morning, and that's why they stay stiff and sluggish all day. But today, we're fixing that in just 5 minutes. One of these moves will instantly unlock your spine, but only if you do it correctly. And I'm going to show you how. The last move in the session is something most people skip, but it's the key to feeling loose all day. Your back and hips are craving movement, and one simple adjustment makes this routine 10 times more effective. I'll show you in just a second. Most people stretch wrong, and that's why they stay tight. But today, we're getting it right. If you're constantly sore or stiff, this session will change how your body feels all day long. Let's hit the mat. Your spine is stiff, your back feels tight, and you're probably holding tension from yesterday. Let's shake that off right now. Get into an all fours position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look up. Cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and press the floor away. Cat pose. Move slowly, syncing breath with movement. I promise this move will release tension, improve spinal flexibility, and wake up your entire nervous system. Beginners, keep movement small and controlled. Advanced stretches, deepen the arch and tuck for a full range of motion. Take one more deep breath. Can you exaggerate this movement? That's where the magic happens. Now that your spine is moving, let's open up the sides of your body. If your back feels tight when you twist or reach, it's because your sides are locked up. Let's fix that. Kneel on the mat with your left leg extended out to the side. Reach your right arm overhead, stretching from your fingertips to your hip. Hold and breathe. Start gently swinging your arm, feeling the deep stretch along your side body. I promise this move will increase flexibility, improve posture, and help prevent tightness in your back and hips. Switch sides. Balance is everything. Beginners, keep your hand on your hip for support. Advanced stretches, deepen the reach and hold longer. Can you reach just an inch further? That's where your body really opens up. If you feel stiff from head to toe, this move is about to reset your body in seconds. Start in a high plank position, hands shoulder width apart. Push your hips up toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the floor. Don't worry if they don't touch. Relax your head and keep your arms strong. I promise this move will stretch your hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and back all at once while improving circulation and boosting energy. Beginners, bend your knees slightly to make it more accessible. Advanced stretches, try paddling your feet to deepen the stretch. Can you hold this just 5 seconds longer? That extra time makes all the difference. Now that the full body is stretched, let's work on deep hamstring flexibility. With your legs feel tight, your back is stiff. This is the stretch you've been waiting for. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart. Hinge at your hips, reach for your right foot with your left hand. Slowly return to center, then reach for your left foot with your right hand. Keep alternating while staying controlled. I promise this move will increase hamstring flexibility, improve spinal rotation, and loosen up your entire lower body. Beginners, keep your knees slightly bent. Advanced stretches, hold each stretch for a few extra seconds before switching. Pause. Can you reach just a little further than before? That's how you get real progress. Now that we've unlocked your legs and back, let's finish with a deep hip release. Sitting too much locks up your hips. This stretch brings them back to life. Sit with the soles of your feet together, knees dropping outward. Keep your spine tall, then gently press your knees toward the floor. For a deeper stretch, hinge forward slightly. I promise this move will increase hip mobility, relieve low back stress, and help your body move more freely. Beginners, keep your feet further from your body. Advanced stretches, pull your feet closer and lean forward deeper. Final stretch. Can you hold this just 5 more seconds? Let's finish strong. Big breath in, exhale. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.